Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-23 leaf spring pressure plate of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get designing. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and we're going to be building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. This episode we're going to be doing 123 leaf spring pressure plate. So let's open up our template. We want millimeters. Okay, let's go to top plane, normal to sketch, and we want square. That looks good. It's going to be 41 by 50, so it's going to be 41 across the top and 50 down the side. Now we want to put 4 holes in there. We want to put 4 holes, so 1, 2, 3, 4. They're going to be 5 mil. 5 mil. Thank you very much. Press escape to get out that measurements. Now I'm just going to do these 4 and equal to. Beautiful. Now this one and this one's going to be horizontal that way. Yeah, horizontal. Horizontal. This one's going to be vertical. And these two are going to be vertical. And pop out. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so smart dimension. These two, it's going to be 25. This to the circle to the edge of this one's going to be 8. And these are going to be 34. So this should be 8 there. 8.54, that's interesting. I think it's 8. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Bing, bing. Cancel. Hey. Yeah, I haven't done the one down yet. I think I've done it, but that's the cross one. So this should be 8, yep. Boy, never hurts to double check stuff. Oh, no, not that one. 8, there we go. Yeah, that's why it never hurts to double check. Because this one here I think was going down, it's going across. Okay, so now we've got that. We want a radius of 4 by looks. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do this as a bevel. So right now we go feature, extrude. It's going to be 5 millimeters thick. And it's going to be mid-plane. There we go. Now we do, nope, not that one. Fillet. Let me do that one. That one. That one. And that one. That's going to be 4 mil. And okay. There we go. Beautiful. So we need, there's no bells anywhere else. And that is it. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click that like button. I does appreciate it if you enjoyed. Leave comments. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And thank you for everyone that has subscribed. Appreciate it. I will see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.